Indatshana emfitshane yezihlobo zami ezithandekayo. Kunabantu abaningi abangangizwisisi ukuthi ngingumuntu onjani, ngi-operate kanjani. Abazwisisi lento, iyaba-confuse, I just confuse the enemy. Mina ngikanje isihlobo sami esithandekayo. I give you what you want when you want it. If you want shit out of me, I'll dish you shit. If you want kindness, goodness, I'll just dish that to you. Ngikupha lokho oku-odile. I will not give you something that you didn't order. Ngizolixoxela le ndaba yokuthi mina esikoleni ngifunda ugrade 8. Utitshala wami we-maths kubhalwa iripoti esasiyinikezwa ngaleso sikhathi yayi-1. Every teacher will write underneath. Kokuqala maths zikahamba ama-subjects onke, utitsha we-maths uzoqala lapho kulandela we-English what kuze kuyogqiba la ma-subjects owenzayo. So the mistake which this teacher made, my maths teacher wrote that Sensia is a well-behaved and a good leader in class, but she is at times shy and timid, but she likes to work independently. She doesn't want me to stand behind her when she's doing her work. She will close her book and ask me what my problem is. And she just wrote whatever she wanted, that woman. Then the next teacher, it seems like he copied exactly and just changed here and there. And this shy and timid thing went on and on in my report. Then my drama teacher wrote ukuthi mina, I'm so good in drama and all the things I do, even in traditional dances and what have you, ukuthi vele ngi-brilliant njani makubuya ezintweni zomdabuko lezi zendalo, ngi-active njani. And my history teacher again gave 2 teachers said things that really pleased me, but the rest they copied that first teacher. So then I read my report. I was not happy with it. I went to the principal and told him that I'm not going to take this report home because I'm not shy and timid. Then I explained to him why these teachers think that I'm shy and timid. Teachers are very evil. This I know, because if you don't raise your hand, they will pick on you and leave those people who are raising their hands who know the answer. And then you stand up, make a fool out of yourself, and then the other students will laugh at you. So when I saw this thing that they are doing, it really upset me. And I'll not raise my hand when I know the answer. And then they will pick on me thinking that I don't know the answer. I'll first give them the wrong answer. Then the other kids will laugh quickly. Then I tell them the right answer. And then they keep quiet. So I was playing their game. And then it doesn't mean that just because I don't raise my hand, I'm shy and timid. I'm not shy and timid. That's not true. I told the principal that I could not be in these drama classes and being the main character in plays when I'm shy and timid. That's not true. So they had to rewrite my report, and they were not happy about it because I challenged them and I told them why I don't raise my hand in class.